In our 7th lecture, we learned that Emperor Constantine had not only outlawed the persecution of Christians, but also around 315 AD, he instituted several benevolences that improved church life and expansion. Sadly, the dissenting Donatist congregations in Africa's northwest were excluded from the list of qualified congregations. Then, to throw salt into the wound, the bishop that the Donatists did not want to represent them was elected with the support of the Romanized Christians of Carthage. Civil disobedience ensued until 317 AD, 4 years after the end of persecution. Roman Emperor Constantine issued a death penalty to all who disturbed the peace of the kingdom. The Donatists believed they were being targeted, though felt justified in their protests. Constantine's aggression and injustice continued through 321 AD because Donatists refused to recognize him as the holy figure he portrayed himself to be. Not even Rome's military was successful in deterring their resolve. Eventually, an agreement was reached to rotate between the appointment of Donatist and Nicaean bishops to head the Carthage district. However, in 346 AD, when the Nicaean bishop of Carthage died, Roman Emperor Constance, Constantine's son, reneged on the 30-year-old rotation protocol that called for a replacement from the Donatists' congregation. Renewed strife between the Donatists and Nicaeans broke out, creating new martyrs. The mid-370s AD brought an interest in identifying the various external adversaries to Nicaean Christianity. One result was the Donatists being placed on the list of heretics and heresies, but not for their theological beliefs. Then in 380 AD, without consulting Donatist or Nicaean church leadership, 3 Roman emperors declared Nicaean Christianity the religion of Rome. From that point forward, the term Catholic was reserved to mean a distinct religious entity, Nicaean Christianity. To the Donatists, all the pieces that supported their apprehensions about Rome's agenda was painfully falling into place. In 393 AD, Catholics sent representatives to imperial courts to advocate new legislation and renew old laws against Donatists' religious practices and worship. Then, in a surprising and bold move, the magistrate of Rome's African Northwest territories, a Roman general named Gildo, the son of Moorish Berber King Nubal, in 395 AD, pulled a military coup. He recaptured the African territory, declared its independence from Rome, and then sought to restore its former glory. Details about what happened next can be found by clicking the link to the 9th of 11 videos, as well as by purchasing the book, Surveying Christianity's African Roots, in the description below.